If you've spent any time around AI recently, then you've probably noticed a new word showing up more and more often: ontology. It sounds academic, kind of philosophical, probably expensive. But right now, ontology is one of the most practical ideas inside of enterprise AI because AI has a problem. It sounds confident even when it isn't grounded in reality. The core problem is that large language models are probabilistic. They predict what word should come next based on a sequence of patterns, and that's powerful, but businesses don't run on probability. Businesses run on definitions, they run on rules, constraints, and consequences. When the cost of being wrong is high, and in the enterprise it often is, then fluent guessing just isn't good enough. You can't automate what you can't clearly articulate. So this gap between language and meaning, that's ontology. So LLMs, they operate in a world of likelihoods. Ontologies operate in a world of constraints. An ontology is simply a structured, machine-readable model of what exists in your business domain and how it relates. Customer, order, line item, product. These aren't just words, they're entities. They're real-world relationships that are governed by rules. And so it's not documentation, but ontology is a semantic contract. So this matters now because AI systems are moving from generating text to taking real-world actions, creating a record, routing a ticket, approving a payment, triggering a workflow. The moment that AI begins to act instead of talk, now things get serious. And without a structured ontology, these systems, they can just fail silently and dangerously. So objects can become created in the wrong place. Data and their definitions can just slowly drift over time. Your metrics can just melt into fiction. Without this structured ontology in place, then AI is just operating without guardrails. So once you have the ontology, your interpretability improves. Your governance becomes enforceable. Your metrics remain aligned. Your automation is safe. So in other words, ontology turns a helpful LLM assistant into a trusted agentic operator. Ontology is the backbone that makes all of those systems coherent. It's what lets AI reason inside of a model of your world instead of just improvising. So the bigger shift here is that the limiting factor in AI is no longer which LLM you use. It's actually whether the organization has clearly articulated what things are, how they relate, and what is and is not allowed. So AI without ontology might seem convincing, but it really doesn't know what your business actually is. And governance demands structure. If AI is going to operate successfully in your world, it needs a world model, and ontology is how you give it one.